Okay, welcome to Jazla's Geometry. What I wanted to explain about how this all works. Okay, people say, oh, they're just lines, these are lines. No, these are actually, each line, okay, represents a circle. Okay, all the stars, like the Southern Cross, travels around the circle. Here's the pole star, the north end, the southern end. It doesn't matter if you're at the South Pole or the North Pole. Okay, this is how the stars, the geometry of the sky is actually designed. Okay, so for every one of these lines, it represents one of these rings. The smaller the line, okay, the smaller the ring. Okay, it's like how you turn a hula hoop on its side. So basically this here, these circles are turned on their side. That's the side angle that you're looking at. Okay, in the summertime, in the South Pole, the sun gets to here, the Tropic of Capricorn, okay, to this ring. Then it slowly makes its way down. As it slowly spins, the angle in the sky will be 20 degrees at the Tropic of Capricorn, okay, at the South Pole, and then it will slowly make its way, keep spinning around and round and round until it gets to the equator, okay, the equinox. The equinox is basically spinning around on the horizon. Okay, for an example, I'm at 30 degrees latitude, or 34 degrees precisely. Okay, well, 80 degrees is the Tropic of Capricorn, 40 degrees is the Tropic of Cancer, 60 degrees is the equator. Okay, for every latitude that you're at, for an example, if you're at 40 degrees latitude, the equinox sun angle will be 50 degrees because it adds up to 90. So if you're at 10 degrees latitude, okay, the equinox will be 80 degrees at 10 degrees latitude. Okay, if the pole star is at 10 degrees, because it adds up to 90. Same with at 30 degrees, it adds up to 90. 40 degrees, it's at 50. 60, it's at 40. They're the angles to the equinox sun. Well, 80 degrees is the Tropic of Capricorn. It slowly spins around. Like I said, these lines are circles. The sun spins around the Tropic of Capricorn, okay, then eventually it jumps the equator and starts spinning around to the Tropic of Cancer. And then it works its way back out again, jumps the equator, spins around to the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, you understand that? The moon does that as well. Okay, so do the stars, the so-called planets. The stars spin around in circles like that. Okay, so for an example, if it's the sun is at the Tropic of Cancer, we're at 40 degrees. Well, in this diagram, the sun is below the horizon spinning around the North Pole. That's why you don't see it in the southern hemisphere. But when the sun hits the equinox, the sun, okay, is on the horizon. Then it slowly spins around and slowly makes its way higher and higher and higher in the sky. And if you look at my other diagrams, you'll see how you can go from the South Pole or the North Pole all the way to the equator, and how all of this bends in the sky. Okay, and you'll get a better understanding of how this actually all works. Okay, for an example, the Tropic of Capricorn, the sun is rising rising at 120 degrees east and setting 240 degrees west from where I am. Okay, that's how it looks in the sky. Okay, this angle is exact angle of the sun, that from the horizon to where it gets to the zenith to where it gets to the horizon again. Okay, same with at the equinox. It rises and sets east-west, exactly where you are, east and west. East and west. Well, the sun goes up, okay, from east, directly 90 degrees, up, 60-degree angle, comes back down to the west, exactly 270 degrees. Okay, and then when it slowly makes its way to the Tropic of Capricorn, then the angles start to change again. They go into the northwest and northeast. You understand that? It's very simple. Anyway, I hope you understood a lot more of this and you get a basic understanding of how it works on a flat earth. Thanks for watching.